Yep.
We're on! So check this out, everybody. My name is Sean Polly, once again. Can't say that enough. And I just want to, go around and introduce everybody. Introduce yourselves, everybody.
Mike Eureka here.
Brandon Schuler.
John Greenwood.
I'm Sean Polly again. So check this out. We got our first bunk bed here. This is a blessing. I can't say enough how much of a blessing it is. This is the start of something great. We're going to have a men's sober living home here eventually, housing at least 8 men to start. Okay, we're going to aim for 16, and we're working on it. God willing, to get there, but even more God willing, we're going to continue on with more houses and continue on with women's sheltering as well as families. So if possible, we're going to do this. The city is always trying to fight people that do stuff like this. You have to get a lot of permits and a lot of stupid stuff that really doesn't even make sense to the Bible. It doesn't make sense to God. It doesn't make sense to me that I got to get some of the certain stuff going on before the city will allow something like this to happen whenever they got people in tents, in groups of 10, that have these camps in Vallejo, California that are strung out on methamphetamine. They'd rather have people off in the cuts and the bushes in these tents where nobody knows they're there, and they're having troubles with drugs and stuff, rather than a sober living home out in the open where people can come and relax and stay off drugs and actually have a job or schooling or something versus living in the tent and being tempted by drugs. So this is a great start. This is awesome. I just wanted to get these brothers on film because they helped out today. This is the first work day. What is this, December 4th?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, December 4th, 2011. This is the first work day here at Samson's unit. And we got a long ways to go, but this is a really great start. Thank you so much for all of your time in viewing this video. And have a great day. God bless your soul.